just a short video for all of my courses to let everybody know that this Friday we'll have our third evaluation that I'll be posting. You'll have a week to do it. If you get jammed up, by the way, you don't think you will because you have a week, but if you get jammed up for a valid reason, get a hold of me, collins@ecc.edu, and we can work that out, give you some more time. If you think we need to talk about something, as I indicated in the outline at the very beginning, just send me an email. Tell me what's generally on your mind. And if we can't communicate by email, we certainly can do a phone call. And with that, I just want to thank everyone for participating in what I consider to be somewhat of an awkward format. But nearly all of you have been terrific in staying up with things. You've done well on the first 25% of the evaluations. And the only thing I would ask you is if you got questions about the coursework and you let me know, I can answer them. And if I begin to see questions about the same area, I'll be glad to simply put more stuff up online, be it a video, be it some textual material. And I won't be doing any more postings for any of my courses between now and Friday, October 16th. And the evaluation stuff should be up, I think it's 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock Friday morning, and will be due at the end of the day the following Thursday. That's it. Thank you.